Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So we're still in Penang. It's our last night here. So we actually stay at the newest hotel, the Milan Hotel, for the first 2 nights, and then we stay at the oldest hotel, the Eastern Oriental Hotel, for 2 nights at Georgetown. And today we're moving to a new hotel, not as new as the Milan, but just open for a couple months as well. Is under Marriott. It's the Iconic Marjorie Hotel under the Triple portfolio. So this hotel location is in between Georgetown and the airport. So we are here for 1 night. So we are closer to the airport, to go to the airport tomorrow morning. And I just love to try new hotels. So this is a junior suite, so I'm going to give you a very good room tour, a very quick one. So you can see, as I say, the hotel is very new, just opened for like a few months. And the junior suite has the living room area. And this is the welcome gift, the goodies. And then this is the minibar area with the espresso machine, with the kettle, with a few bottles of water. So when I check in, they say everything is included in the minibar. You know, actually this one has a lot more Malaysian focus than the other two hotels, to be honest. You know, from the pattern and everything. And then also the minibar is all inclusive. So let's check out. Oops. Okay, there you go. Okay, got a few pops in here. And I'll just show you a few snacks in here. It's all included. And then espresso machine, and then the kettle, and then the TV here with the welcome message. And let's check out, this is the ice bucket. So you can see, you know, again, the design with the, you know, smooth line and curve with the brass element and everything. You can tell it's a, you know, fairly newly designed hotel, you know, the wraps and everything. So anyway, it's very comfortable. It's a 4-star hotel, you know, if I position it, but it's really good price point and really new. So they have a sliding door, so it can separate the living room area and the bedroom area. So although it's a junior suite, the sliding door is quite nice for some privacy if you want. And then, as I say, you know, the pattern on the wall matches with the carpet. And then the nice king size bed, thick mattress, good linens and pillows. And then we're on the 22nd floor, yeah. And then this is the view. So it's, you know, the sky view, you know, with some water view, and it's pretty good. And then there's a work desk here. Can do some work. And then another television in the bedroom. So now let me go into the bathroom area. So this is the area for storage, to put in the luggage and everything. And then, okay, the safe deposit boxes here. They provide slippers. And then nice new bathrobes. Okay, and walking right in, again, they use the sliding door, so it can be closed to reduce some noise. And then, you know, a single sink, and other bathroom, toilet, and then they do have a bathtub here. So very interesting that you can enjoy a bubbly bath if you want to. And then of course they got the shower the rain shower as well. And then this is the amenity. Okay, so basically this is the quick room tour. And before I let you go, I just want to walk through, as usual, some of the Marriott Bonvoy Platinum Elite benefit. So I get the welcome amenities, daily buffet breakfast is included, evening cocktail at the bar from 6 to 8. Actually, they do have the executive lounge. They do have the Tiffin Lounge on level 2. And then daily turn down service, complimentary printing up to 10 pieces per stay, complimentary pressing, shoe shine, and actually shuttle service to shopping mall to Georgetown area. So I have to book it in advance. So actually, this is quite a good option if if you're like us, do not need to stay at Georgetown for everything for all the nights. You can try out this hotel. It's good value for money. So we'll have breakfast tomorrow morning, and I don't think we will go for the cocktail because we're going to Penang Hill tonight, but I'm going to check out the Tiffin Lounge and show you what the executive lounge is like. And that will be it. So it'll be a short and sweet stay at the Iconic Marjorie Hotel at Tribble Portfolio Hotel. Good morning, Penang. So I'm now on the 13th floor, checking out its infinity pool at this hotel. It was raining last night, so that's the reason why I have to check it out this morning. It is fairly nice. And beside the swimming pool, the infinity pool, this is the fitness club, open 24 hours. Using the room key card you can access. So it's very new, very well equipped fitness club, so to speak. Okay, so this is the executive lounge, the Tiffin Lounge. You can use the key card that qualifies to just come in here 24 hours. So take a look. They have the coffee machine, coffee and tea, cookies, and some fresh fruits. And then is quite spacious and very consistent, nice decor over here. So you can see how big it is. So some magazines, some goodies, some snacks. There you go.